Hi employers, I am Zakir, Indian national from Bangalore, and I am a Gulf job seeker.
Okay, so Mr. Zakir, I believe you're looking for a job as sales management professional,
Yes,
preferably in FMCG industry.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for the benefit of our viewers, can you tell us like how many years of work experience do you have?
I have almost 20 plus years work experience in Gulf.
In Gulf countries.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
And most of it has been in FMCG distribution.
out of that, how many years you worked in UAE?
It's going to be 15 years now.
15 years. Okay. Now, this 15 years of experience, Mr. Zakir, that
Yeah.
you have with you,
Yes.
I believe it is mostly in well-known food and non-food FMCG brands,
Exactly.
which are operating in UAE.
True.
And you are also responsible for managing a team of professionals.
Yes.
So, can you please tell us some of the like retail groups or the brands that you were associated with?
My first job in the UAE, I worked with a very reputed company for almost 6.5 years, and I was handling all the high-end perfumes like Calvin Klein, Davidoff, Marc Jacobs, and all the upper-end perfumes. And then I moved on to another company, which is a multinational and a big group. We have been into distribution, FMCG distribution of food and non-food brands, leading and popular brands. And we are operating throughout UAE through our dedicated team of sales professionals. And we are servicing and handling all the top retailers like Lulu, Nesto, Spinneys, Westzone, Almaya, Safir, Sharjah Co-op, Union Co-op, and all the retailers, including the big class ones like Madina Group and all that.
Okay, so it's like you have a very diversified work experience, right?
Yes,
From
yes.
FMCG distribution to perfume and cosmetics,
Yes.
to confectionery, and also working with a courier
Yes.
company,
Yeah.
and then a vast experience in FMCG
Exactly.
distribution business.
Exactly.
Okay, so in all these years of work experience, what are your core strengths, your expertise that you believe that you possess and you will like to carry this forward for your next job opportunity?
Like my strengths and expertise is in sales and marketing management, business development and strategic planning, profit maximization and revenue achievement, negotiation and presentation skills are my strength, client relationship management, people development and team building skills. To put in a nutshell, sales management and business development.
So it's like complete all in all. It's like
Yes.
sales and marketing management, BDM, and then strategic planning,
Exactly.
profit maximization, revenue achievement.
True.
You are also involved in negotiation and
Yes,
presentation
yes,
to
yes.
clients,
Exactly.
bringing new customers, then client relationship obviously, and
Yes.
managing a team also under you.
Exactly.
People management. So
True.
how many people you were managing in your team?
In the present setup, we have almost 40 plus employees working for the division.
40 employees
Yes,
you were
and
managing.
who are directly responsible to me.
Okay.
Yes.
And I believe it's like you already have a driving license, car, and
Yes, I have a driving license, I have my own car.
and how much notice period you will need in case if some company is willing to offer you a job?
Like a month will do, or even if it is early, I can manage. It's not a problem.
Okay, fine. Fair enough. So, dear employers, here it is, the profile of Mr. Zakir. And I know Mr. Zakir personally for a very long time. His last assignment was also taken through Gulf Job Seeker only. He served that organization for more than 9+ years, and a very good testimony and review from the previous employer. So, in case if you have any vacancy for Mr. Zakir as a sales or channel management, sales management, regional business development, then here is a candidate in front of you who has all the required skills, expertise, and know-how, and he is there to contribute to your organization for the growth of your sales and business. So, thank you so much, Mr. Zakir,
Thank
for
you.
coming
My
to
pleasure.
Gulf Job Seeker.
Thanks so much. Thank you. Have a nice- Dear employers, if you like my video CV, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much.